here in St. Lucia, going on a zip lining excursion. Gotta get latched up.
Yeah. 3 times the lady. Alright, so we got one.
Got one. Up. And this is what you do. Just a normal day.
In the Caribbean.
In the Caribbean.
Go find your hair. Kick back, cross them up, and
that's how we do.
Enjoy, buddy.
All right. Go for it.
Look down on the ground. Rainforest on the ground. There goes a tree right there. Oh no, watch the tree. Watch that tree. Watch that tree. Oh, there goes a tree right there. There goes a tree right there. They go on the ground. Oh my God. Look at that tree. Look at that tree. Oh, here goes my man. Woo! Oh.
And there you go.